Essay on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Introduction. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a brave and wise king of India. He is remembered as a great warrior and a kind ruler. He founded the Maratha kingdom and worked hard to protect his people. His life is important for students because it teaches courage, honesty, and love for the motherland. Shivaji Maharaj showed that true strength comes from good values and care for others. Early life and strong values. Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19 February 1630 in Shivneri Fort in Maharashtra. From childhood, he was taught good values by his mother, Jijabai. She told him stories of brave heroes and taught him to be honest and fearless. Shivaji Maharaj learned to ride a horse, use weapons, and respect elders. He was kind to common people and listened to their problems. He believed that a king should protect the weak and serve the people. These early lessons helped him become a strong and fair leader later in life. Bravery and leadership in battles. Shivaji Maharaj was known for his smart and brave way of fighting. He used quick plans and knew the land well. This helped him win many battles against strong enemies. He built and protected many forts to keep his people safe. His soldiers loved him because he cared for them and shared their hardships. He never harmed innocent people and respected women and children. This showed his good character. He also trained his army well and kept discipline. His leadership taught people to stand up for their rights with courage and wisdom. Good governance and care for people. Shivaji Maharaj was not only a warrior but also a good ruler. He set fair rules and made sure people were treated justly. Farmers were protected and traders could work without fear. He supported local language and culture. He appointed honest officers and punished those who were unfair to the poor. People felt safe in his kingdom because he valued justice and order. He believed that a ruler should serve the people, not rule over them with fear. His care for common people made him loved by all. Conclusion. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great leader with brave heart and kind mind. He showed that true power comes from courage, honesty, and care for people. His life teaches us to stand for what is right, respect others, and serve our country with pride. Students can learn from his values and try to follow them in daily life. When we act with bravery and kindness, we help build a better and fairer society. Friends, if you found this essay helpful and informative, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you need an essay on any other topic, please let me know in the comments. And once again, don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you very much for watching the entire video.